All right, so we're at this hot new listing at 1008 High Point Avenue in Calabash Acres in Calabash. Great location, easy access to Sunset Beach and North Myrtle Beach. Let's go in. All right, so we're in. We got a nice long hallway with 2 bedrooms and a bath. And you can see these are good sized bedrooms. Open, nice open, and nicer closet doors. Good sized closet. And then we'll take a look at the bathroom. Tub shower combo, granite. This house was built in 2020, so everything's practically new. There's another good sized bedroom with another closet. And check out these closet doors. They're panel doors. They're not your cheap stuff. All custom light fixtures. We have a little coat closet here. Also can be storage, really nice. And we're in the living room. All right, so in the living room, we've got a fireplace. It's very open, an open floor plan. You'll see that it's got granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, everything again 2020. There's your dining room, plenty of space for a good sized table. Kitchen has a pantry, which you see it's got plenty of shelving, room for a trash can. And then we'll check out the back door. Backyard features a nice, good-sized screen porch. Off the screen porch, we've got a nice little patio, good for grilling. Your yard, pretty private. You've got a privacy fence on this side, which you could kind of hook up to if you wanted to, and then woods and a big privacy fence on the back. So, and the yard does not go all the way back. It goes really to the grass line. So let's go back in the house and we'll check out the primary bedroom. So we're headed to the primary bedroom. Before we do that, I wanted to show you guys the laundry room, which has got shelving and more shelving. Good place to hang clothes. And then we've got our garage, which is a good sized 2-car garage. It's finished. It's got some shelving in here that will stay. Now, obviously, the stuff does not stay. Water heater, all the appliances, all the water heater and everything is 2020. All right, let's go check out the primary. The primary bedroom, good size, big enough for a king bed easily, and 2 night-side tables. Primary bath, double vanity, tile flooring, big, good size walk-in shower, and then walk-in closet with shelving all the way around. There is your toilet, and we also have another closet, which is oversized. I mean, it's a walk-in. You can actually walk into it, but a great place to put linen and stuff. Here is the neighborhood. So you see up the road, you've got nice houses all around you. You can see down the road. Here is a view again at the front of the house. Good long driveway, big enough if you wanted to put a camper in it. It's big enough for that. But the no HOA, that's a real big plus, because you can have the camper, you can have the trailer, you can do what you want to do. All right, I'm Kemp Nash, and this is 1008 High Point Avenue, 843-222-8798.